Hi, first graders. Today we're going to be working on Fastmath number 18, so make sure you have that out and ready to go. Number 1 says, put an X on all the animals that are four-legged in real life. So even if you only see two legs on them right now, think, does that animal have four legs in real life? Number 2 says, count the happy faces and write the number on the line. The next part, you are supposed to circle which number is smaller between each set of two. So which one's smaller, 4 or 5? And then circle it. Go ahead and do the rest of those on your own. The next part says, Tracy bought 8 tapes at the store. Her mom bought her 3 more for her birthday. Now how many tapes does Tracy have? Push pause to finish that part up, and then we're going to correct it together. All right, the first one, which ones have 4 legs in real life? This type of dinosaur did have 4 legs. This dog also did. A spider does not, or is that a crab? They do not. A turtle does. A duck only has 2. Oh, here's the crab. A crab has more. A frog has 4. And a cat has 4. Then you should have counted the smiley faces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smiley faces. All right, and then circle the smaller number. So 4 is smaller than 5. 11 is smaller than 17. 8 is smaller than 10. 13 is smaller than 14. 6 is smaller than 7. And 12 is smaller than 16. All right, our story problem says Tracy bought 8 tapes at the store. Her mom bought her 3 more for her birthday. How many tapes does Tracy have now? So our clue is more. So that means we are going to, you got it, add. The numbers we know are 8 and 3. And our addition sentence is going to be 8 plus, because we are adding, 3 equals blank. So now we need to figure out what is 8 plus 3. So we're going to start at 8 because that's the bigger number and count up 3 more. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many tapes does Tracy have now? She has 11 tapes. Nice job, first graders. See you next time.